Today, we'll be taking a look at the drum baffle on this LG electric dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. The main reason why you'd be replacing your drum baffle would be if it's cracked or could be making noise. To begin your repair, we must first access the back of the unit. Stop. Always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. Now that we're at the back of the unit, in order to lift the top, we must first remove our safety cover here. It is held on with one Phillips screw in the middle. Take this off. Now it does have a couple of tabs that are holding it on. You'll have to kind of press in, then lift up and set it to the side. Next, to lift the top, there are two kind of spring clips under each side. You'll have to use a putty knife. Go in here, start to press on it, and lift at the same time. When you feel it lift up, you can go over to the other side. Now we'll go to the other side. I felt it lift up. Next, we will be leaning it against the wall. If you have to pull it out a little bit, you can do so. So we'll put a blanket on the top so it can't get damaged. Now to remove the drum baffle, there are 3 screws on top. They'll have to be taken off. All of them are Phillips. We will remove the 2 outer, hold on to the baffle, remove the other one. Pull out on the baffle, pull out on the screw, and set it to the side. When installing your new drum baffle, you will have to line it up inside and watch for the holes. And just get one by hand started, just to hold it into place. Wiggle it around, and get another one. We'll tighten them up. Reinstall the final screw. Now we can reinstall the top. When installing the top, first we'll take off our blanket here, bring it down, just kind of get it into place, push down on both sides at the same time. Now we can finish up at the back. And finally, when we are installing the safety cover, we will slide in the tabs on the bottom, bring it in, look inside of the slotted areas, as sometimes you may have to press it down or you may have to wiggle the top in order for it to go in, and it actually presses down. Once you have it into place, we will reinstall the screw. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.